Did you know the C makes two sounds? It says the regular k sound like in cat if it has a consonant after it or it's followed by an A, O, or U. But if it's followed by an E, I, or Y, it can no longer say the k sound. It has to say the S sound, like in city. So C gets A, O, and U, K gets the other two. So you're gonna spell with a K if you see an E, I, or Y after the k sound, because the C cannot break that rule. If it has an E, I, or Y after it, it cannot say k. It has to say S. So C makes two sounds, k and S.